Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made these delicious egg rolls, our Nigerian egg roll. Sit back and enjoy. Let's get started. I will start by sifting in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. And 1/3 cup of sugar. After which I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'll go ahead and mix everything together. You can use nutmeg if that is what you have instead of the cinnamon powder. I will also add a tablespoon of butter and mix. So I'm using margarine here. After mixing in the margarine or butter, I'll add 1 egg and also a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for more flavor. I will add some water to bring everything together. I have here 1/2 cup of water. Now, but I'll be adding it little by little until I get the texture I want. And here we have it. From the 1/2 cup of water I have 1 tablespoon of water remaining. I'll then allow this to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, we are making egg rolls, so here I have my eggs boiled already. I have boiled 6 eggs here. I will go ahead now and peel off the shell of the eggs. After peeling the eggs, I'll go ahead and bring back the dough, which has been resting for some minutes now. I'll sprinkle some flour on my surface, working surface, and roll out the dough. I'll have 6 eggs, so I'm going to cut the dough into 6. You can equally make up to 8 egg rolls from this. But I'm cutting it big, so I have 6 egg rolls from the 2.5 cups of flour which I mixed. I will go ahead now and flatten the dough. You can do this with your hand or you use your rolling pin. And when I'm done rolling all the eggs, we now go ahead and fry. I already have some oil heating up here, and once the oil is hot enough, I'll go ahead and throw in the rolled eggs and fry until golden brown. And when it is well fried, take it out from the oil and enjoy warm. I hope you have given the video a thumbs up. Thank you. And please don't fry on a high heat. Use medium heat so that it can cook very well inside before it gets this golden brown. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share to your loved ones. Until I see you again in the next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.